Hello everyone, my name is Anita and I want to tell everyone about this amazing app called IBotta. It is a grocery shopping app. Every time you buy groceries, you can scan the receipt and you save money. You save money on this app, and then whenever you get ready to withdraw it, you can withdraw it to your PayPal account and spend it any way that you wish. You can spend it, invest it, save it any way that you wish once it hits your PayPal account. Your minimum withdrawal amount is $20. But what's amazing, I want to show you all of the wonderful people on my team that are saving and earning money with this app. You have all these people here that are saving and earning and making money with this app. One person has even earned as high as $1,131.56. It is possible, people. Wouldn't you like to take some of the money that you're spending and put it back into your own pockets? Well, this is exactly what this app does. And also for the month of June, they have a wonderful summer fun bonus going. I mean, and it is amazing. My team and I, we are on fire, and I would love for you to join my team. I'm going to break down to you how this bonus works. You can enjoy a summer fun treat this month. Earn some cool sweet cash for free. Wouldn't you like to earn some cool sweet cash for free? Whenever you download my app, click the link and download my app. I'm going to have all my information at the bottom of this video. All you have to do is click the link, download my app, and you'll get a cool $10 cash. That'll have you only halfway towards meeting your minimum bonus of withdrawing to your PayPal account for $20. There's no risk in this. This is not a scam. This app has been paying people for years now. I've been a member since 2014. It's 2018 now. So you'll get $10 for your first bonus cash, and then every time you share this app with a friend, you earn another cool $5 each time. And the bonus you get this month, they have bonuses every month. This month you can earn an extra cool $150. For some of you guys, that's enough to buy your kids clothes, or for to go back to school. That's enough for snacks, food. That's enough to some people like to invest high in shoes. I don't. But to buy your kids a pair of shoes, a pair of Jordan sneakers or something for Christmas, it's enough to go on a little you know a little nice vacation, like a small weekend trip. Take your family out for dinner. Take your family out to the movies. I mean, it's something you can do something really nice with that extra $150. And depend on your level of work ethic, you can earn it pretty fast. Okay, you earn $5 per friend plus $20 when you refer 3 people. So you get $5 per each friend. When you refer 3 people, you get a $20 bonus. Okay, refer 3 more people after that for a total of 6 people, and you get $30 more. That's another $30 bonus. Okay, and you refer 4 more people after that for a total of 10 people, and you get another $50. So that is $100 just in bonuses. Plus you get $5 for each person. 5 times 10, that's 50. That's another $50. That's a total of $150, people. And I'm going to break that down again. You get $5 per each friend that you refer. That's 10 friends, right? 10 friends will get you $150. So $5 per that 10 friend, that's your first 50. Okay? The first three people, excuse me, will get you a $20 bonus. The next 3 people, for a total of 6 people, will get you a $30 bonus. That's 50. And then the next 4, for a total of 10, that's another $50 bonus. So that's a total of $100 right there, plus your $5 per day each 10. that's $150, people. Isn't that cool? Cool. Free cash is free cash. And all you had to do was tell people about this wonderful and exciting opportunity. This app is amazing. And they pay like clockwork. You'll never hear a bad review about IBotta. And it's not a new app. You don't have to worry about what they say, glitches or anything going wrong with this app. I've never had a problem with this app. It's wonderful. And I have a few more apps that will help you increase your income. So stay tuned to my next video. Stay tuned to my channel. Stay tuned to my social media networks. And let's get this money. God bless you all. Have a wonderful day. Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification tab so you can be alerted every time I upload a video. And just have a fun and amazing and wonderful day. And we're going to get this free cash. We're going to get this free money. We're going to increase our income and create a better lives for ourselves. Because really that's what it's all about. Creating a better life so you can live in total freedom. Okay. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye. Hit the description box up under this video. Get all my information, guys.